Hi, this is Darren from Devon Pixels, and today I'm going to show you how to share an Instagram post to an Instagram story. Let's get to it.
So at the moment, I am in my home feed. So this is all other people's posts in here. And what I do, say if I wanted to share this first post to my story, I would actually hit the icon that looks a little bit like a paper airplane. And then you can see that first option that comes up is add post to your story. So there's the post. You can stretch that post, twist it by using your thumbs and your fingers to pinch in and pinch out. Add your text as normal. Let's go. Tasty food. And we're going to put that title up at the top. Move the image back to the beginning. A bit of text. Please follow. A bit of animation on there. And there we go. And then what else I'm going to do is just add a quick arrow or finger. So use that one. And I can point to the person who made that post. And then at the bottom there, you've got your profile icon with your story written on, and you just tap that, and that's posted to your stories. So swipe down. If I click on the My Story, you can see that post is now being added to my story. You can do this with your own post as well. So if you've made a post to Instagram normally, you can then also share that to your story post by clicking the airplane, and exactly the same process. You can then go and add that to your story. So that's how you do it. I hope it helps, and write in the comments if you need any more tips.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to be alerted when we post new videos. Thank you and see you again.